Hello, in this quick video tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to add marked viewers on TikTok Live. So guys, let's dive right into the video. Right here is the home page of my TikTok app. Now at the bottom you can see the plus button. Clicking on the plus button like this, scroll and click on live. So right here, before going live, you can see the gear icon right here. So you need to click on the gear icon in order to go to your live settings. So looking here, the second option here says marked viewers. So you need to go ahead and click on that. At the top, you can see the plus button. Looking here are your marked viewers. You can actually click on any of this person in order to remove them. Clicking on the plus button, now it says here you can also try marking any viewers during your live. So if you want to add a marked viewers, you can only do that when you go live and people are joining your live stream. That is the only time you'd be able to click and mark them as your marked viewers. So this is how simple it is to add marked viewers on TikTok Live. Hope you found this video helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos on this channel. This channel is really for you. See you in the next one.